Newton's Laws of Motion, Brandon Deuce and Ryan Gusha, periods 4 and 5, October 31st, 2017.
An object at rest remains at rest, and an object in motion continues in motion with constant velocity, that is, constant speed in a straight line, unless the object experiences a net external force.
Newton's first law example.
In this example, the ball was at rest until Ryan hit it, and it stayed in motion until the ground stopped it. Therefore, the ground was the net external force.
Newton's first law, second example. In this example, the ball is at rest until Ryan kicks it and stays in motion until the wall stops it. Therefore, the wall is the net external force. Newton's second law. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on the object and inversely proportional to the object's mass. Newton's second law, first example. In this example, Ryan is pushing a bike. The force of the bike is its mass times its acceleration. In this case, the acceleration is caused by Ryan pushing it. Since only Ryan is pushing it, the force is proportional to its acceleration.
Newton's second law. In this example, Brandon and Ryan are both pushing the bike. The bike's mass is the same as the example before. The acceleration is more because Ryan and Brandon are both pushing the bike. This means that the force is more because it's directly proportional to acceleration.
Newton's third law. If two objects interact, the magnitude of the force exerted on object 1 by object 2 is equal to the magnitude of the force simultaneously exerted on object 2 by object 1, and these two forces are opposite in
Third law of motion.
This example shows Newton's third law of motion because Logan throws the ball at Brandon and the ball hits Brandon with the same force as Brandon gets hit by the ball. The ball flies backwards and their forces are opposite and equal. Their impacts were equivalent to each other based off of Newton's third law.
Third law of motion.
This example shows Newton's third law of motion because Ryan high-fives Brandon with the same force that Brandon high-fives Ryan. Their hands are flying backwards after impact, and their forces are opposite and equal. They both felt the same impact because of this law. And to our references, Sirway Raymond Day and Jerry S. Fawn Physics, Austin Holt, Reinhardt Winston, 2009 print.